Hi, this is Lee Thurman again, and in this video we're going to talk about how to sponsor accounts using your personal referral link. This is member training tutorial number 4. So when you log into your website and you're on your dashboard, look in the account panel, which is the third column on the top row. You'll see 4 links there, and click on the one that says referral link. And when you do that, a pop-up comes up with 2 items in it. One is the link itself that you can copy, and the other is a button that you can click on to go edit the referral link page. So if you'll copy the link and then paste it in a browser and click on it, you'll land on a page that looks like this. This is your personal referral page. Now it can be customized, but notice the address in the URL. That is a unique address to you and you only. Anyone who creates an account on this page will be tagged with you as their sponsor. This is important because it ensures that you get credit for their future purchases, if any. Okay, now the page can be customized. The text in the left column can be customized, and the title of the form can be customized along with the background color of the form. To make the customizations, you need to return to the dashboard, click the referral link on your account panel, then the blue button that says Edit Your Personal Referral Link. When you do that, that'll take you to the edit screen where you can edit your personal referral link. Now, on this referral link page, there are essentially 3 things you can do. One is you can edit the header. Now, the previous page I showed you did not have a header, but you can insert one. You can edit the text, and you can edit the form background color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a header. You'll see that it has now been uploaded. I'm not going to touch the text. I do recommend that you just leave that alone. And I'm going to change the background color. So when I do those things, and now I go back and click on the link, you'll see that we have a header graphic at the top and a nice fuchsia color background. So here's the point. You can use those tools to brand the referral link page to look like your brand, your colors, your images and graphics, and so on. You know, if you're going to use the referral link to sign up people to join the Apricot Rocket networking program, then you don't really need to change the text. However, a lot of people use this referral link page to simply promote their own personal community, and they use their community for a whole variety of reasons for marketing and so on. So if you want to have a different message and talk about joining your community and the benefits of joining your community, please feel free to edit the language in the text box to coincide with the message that you want to deliver. I hope that helps. I look forward to seeing you at our next referral meeting. Thanks. Bye.